Welcome to Hustle Hard, Save Smart, where we're turning financial management into a street smart adventure. Whether you're punching the clock or paving your own path as a self employed champ, this guide's got your back. Let's dive in and make those hard earned dollars work for you. The guide to managing your paycheck and saving for the future, especially when you have a family to support. In this video, we'll walk you through a step by step process to help you make the most of your income and build a secure financial future. Step 1. Understand your income. All right, fam, time to decode that paycheck hustle. Your net income is the real deal, the cash you pocket after the tax man takes his share. It's like scoring a victory lap after a long day's grind. The first step in managing your paycheck is understanding your income. Take a close look at your paycheck and identify your net income, which is the amount you actually take home after taxes and deductions. This is the money you have available to cover your expenses and save for the future. Step 2. Create a budget picture, your budget as your personal sidekick in the hustle game. From rent to ramen, every dollar's got a role to play. But fear not, with a solid budget in your corner, you'll be dodging financial curveballs like a pro. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. List all of your monthly expenses, including bills, groceries, transportation, and any other necessities. Then, compare your total expenses to your net income to see how much you have left over for savings. Step 3. Set savings goals. Time to hustle for those dreams. Whether you're saving up for that side hustle upgrade or plotting your retirement empire, set your sights high and hustle harder. Your goals are the fuel that powers your journey to financial freedom. Setting savings goals is crucial for building a secure financial future. Whether you're saving for emergencies, education, or retirement, identify your priorities and set specific, achievable goals. Remember to make your goals realistic and measurable so you can track your progress over time. Step 4. Automate your savings. Let's put your savings on autopilot because time is money and ain't nobody got time for manual transfers. Set it, forget it, and watch your savings stack up while you focus on slaying your hustle game. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This ensures that you're consistently putting money aside for your goals without having to think about it. Step 5. Cut expenses. It's budget cutting season, and you're the superhero of savings. Channel your inner penny pincher and slice through those sneaky expenses like a budget ninja. Every dollar saved is a step closer to financial victory. Take a close look at your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. This might mean reducing discretionary spending on things like dining out or entertainment, or finding ways to lower your fixed expenses like utilities or insurance. Every little bit counts when it comes to saving money. Step 6. Celebrate milestones. Time to pop the champagne and celebrate your wins, because every milestone deserves a victory lap. Whether you're crushing debt or reaching a savings goal, take a moment to savor the sweet taste of financial freedom. Don't forget to celebrate your savings milestones along the way. Whether you've reached a certain savings goal or successfully cut back on expenses, take the time to acknowledge your progress and reward yourself and your family for your hard work. By following these steps and making smart financial decisions, you can take control of your paycheck, support your family, and build a brighter financial future. Remember, it's never too late to start saving. Here's to your financial success. And that's a wrap on Hustle Hard, Save Smart. Remember, whether you're clocking in or calling the shots, financial freedom is within reach for every hardworking hero. Keep hustling, keep saving, and keep slaying those financial goals like the champions you are.